Hello friends, I'm Anvesha Mitra signing in for Buzzin Town, and today I am in South Delhi at Zarzura, which is part of the Clarion collection, the former Qutub Hotel. Now Zarzura is known to serve authentic Middle Eastern cuisine, a touch of Moroccan, and some wonderful delicious kebabs and cocktails. So I can't wait to find out what more they have on offer, so come along with me. I'm sitting with restaurant manager Dinesh Kumar right now, and I'm sipping a beautiful red color drink which is a strawberry iced tea. And while I do that, he's going to tell us a little bit about what Zarzura means and what's the concept of this place and the USP.
Basically, ma'am, Jarjura is a Moroccan lounge, ma'am, and
Okay.
we are well known for the belly dancing, and it's basically most happening place in Delhi and NCR. And we are serving over here best Lebanese and Moroccan food, ma'am.
Okay.
So, like the people enjoy the belly dancing
right.
and
Right.
Lebanese
So
cuisine.
it's about creating an ambience, basically.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what does Zarzura actually mean? I mean, is this an Arabic word or what?
Yeah, it's basically, ma'am, it's a word, ma'am, like it comes from Egypt.
It's an Egyptian.
Yeah, it's an Egyptian word, ma'am. So it comes from, it's basically island, ma'am. So we have got this word from the
Okay, okay, okay. And what is the concept of the restaurant, of the place at large? It's a lounge.
It's a lounge, ma'am.
Yeah. So what is the concept, I mean, typically? In terms of the food offering, in terms of the theme?
Basically, we are offering the food, and plus, like, we are giving the best experience to the guests. Like, they can enjoy belly dancing, best music, and best Lebanese and Moroccan food, ma'am.
Right, right. Okay.
So this is the it's actually the best combination of food, fun, and music and entertainment, ma'am.
Right. So how many covers do you have here?
We have more than 140 cover, ma'am.
More than 140.
Yeah.
Okay. And typically, what is a meal for them?
It's
what's the tariff?
approximately, ma'am, 3,000 rupees for a couple, ma'am.
Okay, okay. And that includes the alcohol and taxes?
Alcohol and plus food and some.
It includes the alcohol?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And not the taxes, obviously?
Not tax.
Right.
3,000 plus tax.
Could you tell us a little bit about the drinks that you have here? Because
Ma'am.
this place is known for a lot of, cocktails and very
We have-
interesting.
Yeah, I would like to tell everyone, ma'am, that we have signature cocktails over here like Amara, Aini,
Right.
and Habiba.
Okay.
and,
And what are these very exotic sounding names?
Aini basically it's a rose petal drinks, ma'am. It's a
Okay.
vodka based drinks, and it's a
Okay.
rose petal drinks. So like the most of the ladies, they want to try that. drinks,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, okay, okay. And apart from that, you have your usual beers and everything.
Yes, ma'am. Everything.
Okay.
We have a very
So
huge menu.
most of the cocktails that you have, they have a very strong Middle Eastern theme, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Just like this, you can see.
Okay.
it's
Yeah. So this is
basically-
very pretty. It's a yellow
It's
color
Jaffa,
drink.
orange, mint, date and mint
And
mojito.
I can't wait to try even that out from from
Will
it.
you try?
Yes, I will. So that is it for now. I'll catch you again while I'm having my main course. Hey, with me here is executive chef of Zarzura, Sanjay Singh Yadav, and we are sitting before a lovely spread of Middle Eastern dishes, and some of them are also of Moroccan origin. There is a dessert. There are some main course items. There's couscous. So chef is going to unveil this in front of us and explain to us why these are a specialty here and why he loves Moroccan cooking. So chef.
Like, hi, first of all, hi to everyone. Like, I would love to cook Moroccan food because it's almost different from the other cuisines and little bit of similar to Indian cuisine also. the spices which we are using and flavors, like it's cinnamon, cumin, and what all we are using in the Indian food also, garlic, tomato. But what gives a different flavor to it, it's the spices and ingredients like za'atar, sumac, and all from the
Right, right.
and it's rich in like
Nuts
nuts and all,
dates
and it gives a complete meal to our cuisine. So here I had presented patlikan
Can talk
kebab.
about this dish.
It's a kebab. It's a kebab of the minced lamb with the roasted aubergine. Like it's most of the dips are also made up of the aubergine in the Moroccan
So is
and
this a
Middle Eastern
vegetarian
food.
kebab?
It's a non-vegetarian with the minced lamb, roasted aubergine,
Okay,
roasted
okay.
tomato with the garlic tomato sauce on the bed of saffron rice, and it's gives you a complete meal also. As long as with the starter, you can have a complete meal also in
Great.
this.
Now we can talk
And
about this.
here
If you unveil
it's
this.
tagine, what we used to call tagine. It's based on the name of this pot. This pot is basically called tagine,
Okay,
and
okay.
because the dishes are used to be prepared in this pot only.
Okay, so
So-
this is where you've prepared it and it's
Yeah,
served in this
yeah,
only. same
and
dish.
it's to be served in that pot only. Like everything is to be mixed and put it into the pot. Then it goes in the oven, and it is used to be cooked in this pot
Right,
only.
right.
And directly it goes on the table like this.
Okay, okay.
So we
So-
are serving here around 10 kind of different tagines.
Wow.
I am
Look at that.
presenting
How
2
beautiful
of
is
this.
that?
This is summer veg tagine with the saffron rice. Here are the different summer vegetables:
It's
sweet
aubergine,
bell
right?
peppers, zucchini, mushrooms, onions, and tomato. It's char grilled. Then it's cooked along with the saffron sauce, and it goes with the rice. So it would give you a complete meal.
Right, and I guess it's a very summery dish, no? I think
Yeah.
it's very popular.
Yeah, it's a summery.
among folks in summer.
Yeah, and it's like rich also with the saffron cream sauce.
Right.
So, and it's not so spicy. It would
So
suit
this you would say is a Moroccan specialty.
yeah.
Okay.
And for the non-vegetarian here,
try
once
this.
again there
So
is
there's another one
more,
which is going to be
another
unveiled
one
right now.
That is
This is couscous based.
couscous based with the spiced kafta. Once again, it's
See.
meat dumplings with the tahini sauce. It's cooked in the tahini sauce, which is
Right.
very typical
Tahini is like a sesame
sesame
right.
seed sauce, and it's very popular in Middle East.
Right. Okay. Okay.
And after that comes
Finally, the dessert,
finally
which
the
is like the grand
dessert,
finale.
because the meal is incomplete without any dessert.
Absolutely.
So here we are presenting a special dessert which is called mancha. Uh, I think you can't find out in the Delhi, and it's a very nice dessert made up with a filo pastry. It's a crispy filo pastry dessert stuffed with the almond and cashew nut powder with the flavor of cinnamon and nuts and sugar, brown sugar. Then it is rolled and formed in a pinwheel shape, and it is baked. And it is served with the cinnamon ice cream.
Okay, so it's baked after it's
Yeah,
rolled up.
yeah. After it is
Okay.
baked.
Right.
It becomes
And
crispy.
that's a scoop of cinnamon ice
Yeah,
cream.
scoop of cinnamon ice
This is
cream.
a very beautiful, unusual dessert. It's a departure from the baklavas that we, find at most places that do Middle Eastern food. So I recommend that you try this out, and it's a must-have if you are in Zerzura, right?
Yeah.
Chef? Thank you so much for your time, and we'll see you. If you're visiting this place, do not forget to order the Moroccan chicken tagine. That's an absolute must-try. It's succulent and it's absolutely delicious. And to close your meal, you must order the gratin, which is a date and fig gratin with rosemary honey ice cream. And that's all for me this time. This is Anvesha Mitra signing off for Buzz in Town. Bye-bye.